Hello everyone. Okay, so we're back in Fusion with the two parts we milled out last time. Today it's time to make the blade, and we're gonna make that in aluminium. So let's just jump into it. It's pretty simple. We'll make a new part, new component. It's gonna be called blade. Then we're gonna make a new rectangle. It's gonna be 9 times 24, and then extrude it out 2 millimeters. So there's our blade. Now we can disable the tape dispenser. First thing we're gonna do is make a fillet on the bottom to compensate for the end mill we used when we milled out the tape dispenser, which was a 6 millimeter. So we're gonna make this 3 millimeter. Next thing is to make the teeth. So we're gonna rough draw it first. Something like that. Next thing to do is set the dimensions. And we're gonna use a V-bit to mill the teeth out, which is a 30-degree angle. So each side is going to be 15 degrees. And the teeth is going to be 1.4 millimeters wide, and the height is going to be, let's say, roughly 1.5. It's good. So I'm happy with that. Now we can extrude this out. It's going to be 1 millimeter. The next thing to do is make a pattern on path. So we can select the feature we just did, select the path. It's gonna be the line, and the length is gonna be all the way to the end. And let's try to make 15 teeth. Oh, we probably need some more. 16. Okay, so 17 is good. It's just a little gap between the teeth. I'm fine with that. Just okay. So there we have the blade. Now we can jump over to the CNC and mill this out. It would surely help to have a vise, but I think this turned out pretty good. All it needs is some sanding before gluing it on. I then put on some finishing oil, and while that was drying I made a tape cord out of 2 pieces of wood rods that I just cut to length and drill a hole through the center of one of them. So, does this work? It does. At least some of the times. That's all for this little project. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.